So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in edit group policy. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, under computer configuration, you want to expand admin templates. Now you want to expand Windows components. I want to make this a bit bigger. Now you want to expand Windows update. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows update. You want to expand that. Now you want to click on manage end user experience. Click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. And then once you're on this, you want to find configure automatic updates. Double click on this. Now you want to make sure that this is on enabled. So set this to enabled. And then where it says configure automatic updating, you want to click on the drop down. And you want to find allow local admin to choose setting. Click on this. And then click on OK. And now for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'm going to be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. Now you want to expand software. Now you want to expand policies. Now you want to expand Microsoft. Now we're going to expand Windows. I want to make this bigger. We're going to scroll down and expand Windows. Now you want to expand Windows Update. Now you should be having a folder called the AU. You want to click on that. And then once you're on this, you want to find the AU options. Double click on it. And now in this box right here, make the validator 5. So make sure that in the validator box you have the number 5 and then click on OK. Now you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.